What's good, YouTube? This
JBrad&Chas
TV. Hey man, we'll let y'all know, man. I know we've been out for a while, but we'll let you know it's our first cruise together.
We are heading to the Bahamas. So we're doing our room tour to our suite.
Of course, you know, we came up, leaving out of Jacksonville, Carnival Elation, man. Y'all should get it. So we'll do our room tour. We got a suite, y'all. Room V2.
So when you come in, you want me to? I'm gonna do this area.
Yeah.
You can do that area.
Oh yeah.
So over here we have our safe. We already made our code because we want our special stuff in there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And then it's like small, y'all. Come on in. Come on in. And then to your right, when you come in, here's another door. It's the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Are you showing the bathroom?
Oh,
we got
no, you good.
The toilet right here, the sink, and then over here they got the little shower.
Yeah, man, it's a little small, little small.
Did you close the door?
Y'all know we thick people. See the toilet, we thick people, you know.
And then you gotta make sure you step up because you will fall.
Oh yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna close that door. Ooh, Jesus. All right, and then to the left we have.
These are closets. You know, grab it and just pull it.
Oh.
It's pretty big, y'all.
Yeah, they got some robes in here.
Oh, they got robes. They got robes in there.
What? I don't know if we're gonna be using this.
Hey man.
And then they got that little light vest up here. So hopefully we don't have to resort to that. I don't plan on doing that.
Of course.
And then over here we have our complimentary water up front. But in the back, they start charging.
Welcome.
And we have all the information. This is where I'm not putting makeup on. It's true. Okay. I ain't got time for it. And then over here to your right, you want to take over?
Oh yeah, I'll take over.
Okay.
Yeah, y'all. Cruise expert. You know, it's number 5 for me, y'all. So y'all, we kind of upgraded this time. We ain't getting no little baby room. We got a sweet king size bed here. We got a couch here, you know, king chair. A king. You know, we got this nice flat screen TV we got going on here.
We got
big comfy bed, you know, where everybody says the magic happens.
Boy, bye.
Ain't gonna be no magic.
I'm gonna be too sleep.
It's gonna be fireworks. Hey!
I'm gonna be too sleep.
And y'all, this right here, this is our sweet balcony right here.
Ooh, I didn't know to do all that. That's fancy.
Get the looks. Y'all will get this when we
going outside or no?
Oh yeah, we're going outside. You can stay.
It's dark.
I go outside.
Come on, it's dark.
So this is our balcony, y'all. You know
it's kind of dark right
big
now.
Towers.
Okay. I don't want to fall now.
Yeah.
Got 2 little chairs.
You see all the water.
And then here's the water. We're still in Jacksonville, y'all. But I think we start selling tonight, and then tomorrow we'll be in Freeport.
Oh yeah.
So yeah.
Oh yeah, y'all. We just letting y'all know. Damn.
Right.
We just letting y'all know, man. We made it. We here. And we're gonna give y'all some more tours later after we go through our safety precautions, because we can't take our camera with us during the safety precautions. But after that, we will be back with bigger and better things later on. So we let y'all know, man. Y'all have a good day.
We ain't been missing for nothing. We just been really busy, y'all. Like busy.
Get ready for this trip, man. So we gonna come through later on. And we got y'all.
All right, until next time.
Chas, JBrad, we'll see you later.